How to verify Cash App identity. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In order to verify your Cash App identity, tap on your profile picture first, then tap on security and privacy, and then tap on verify. If you don't verify your account, you will have $1,000 balance limit set on your account and be denied access to other features. Verify your identity to get an unlimited cash balance limit, Cash App cards, Bitcoin, and sponsored accounts. So the process is tap on your profile icon first. This is at the top right corner of your home screen. Then tap on Security and Privacy. You can find this in the menu. Then tap Verify. This will be in the Identity Verification section. If you see Verified, you have already verified your identity with the Cash App. Enter your personal information. Cash App will ask for your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your Social Security number. In some cases, Cash App will ask for your full SSN, address, government issued photo ID, or a proof of income. Cash App states that all the submitted information is encrypted and securely sent to their servers. Wait for the verification. This process usually takes about 48 hours, though it could be longer if you had to supply more information. So this was all about how can you verify the Cash App identity. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.